Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today we want to show you how you can create a DocuSign room for your opportunity. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sign into Command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. Once we are signed in, we are going to want to make sure that our DocuSign account is connected to our command and our opportunity has been created. We do have tip videos that walk you through how to do both of those steps. If you have any questions on that, you can absolutely feel free to email us, support@scottleroymarketing.com. But once we are in here, we're going to go to our opportunities applet, which is on the left-hand side. It's these two hands shaking. From there, we're going to select the opportunity that we would like to create a room for. Ours is a buyer opportunity, and we're going to go with this one right here. Once we are in here, we're going to go to our Documents tab up here in the top, and we are going to click Sync with DocuSign. It'll take a second to load here, but once it does, it'll make us either sign in if we're not already. Let me go ahead and grab that login. Give me just a second here. It will bring us to our DocuSign room, and it's going to go ahead and it's created that room for us. From here, we'll be able to add forms and send those out to our contacts and things like that. We have the Details tab here, which will pull information from our command opportunity into our DocuSign room and things like that. So if you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help out.